Hi guys, I'm showing this video how to do mason work, footers. You can see here we have mason block. Here the embed plate, when we pour slab, put it on place. Okay, you can see here everything. We put concrete for footers. You can see anchor bolts, centers. You can see the string. Okay guys, interior footing, and here anchor bolts at corners, and here we have embed plate. Here we are mixing mortar for mason work. Everything is centers. Here we started to do the foam for slab. Everything is brand new. And here we have another anchor bolts, mason work. Here you can see overlap, and here the horizontal reinforcement ladder. Here we did foam because we need to pour solid. Here, okay, mason work, bond beam above door. You can see that is finished. You can see the grout is finished. Okay, and here you can see brand new poured solid. That's bond beam poured solid. Okay, rebars, sand and cement. Here you can see everything is done. Pair drawing. Here we are ready for footers. You can see poured solid. Same thing over there. And there, you can see the overlap, rebar with overlap, a lot of rebars per drawing, overlap. And here we have the interior footing per elevation. Everything is lined up and center per drawing. That's the rebar. And here you can see all the forms for slab is ready to go. Okay, after we'll do plumbing work and electrical work under slab, we'll pour concrete. You can see all that poured, per elevation, per drawing. Everything is poured. You can see that is interior footing. Okay, and here mason work. That's for elevator opening. You can see here we'll do waterproof. Okay, that's for elevator. How we will do that. And here we'll do waterproof. That is finished. Okay, bond beam for elevation. And here you can see rebars, and we will pour that 4-foot solid because here we have a steel ladder around it. Here you can see the elevation for that columns 5 feet below. That is the here 1 foot below finished floor elevation. Same thing over there. Okay, that's mason work. You can see bond beam. You have bond beam above door, pour solid. And here that's we pour solid like 3 courses. You have rebars. Okay, all the anchor bolts done. You can see good weather. That's mason work. Here that's the door for elevator. You can see, okay, that's for elevator. Everything is done this side. Okay guys, so that's how to do concrete work. Pour concrete for interior footings, exterior, and mason work. Okay, all interiors footing, pour per elevation. Everything is good. All the materials on site. Mason work, pour concrete. The parking lot paved. Okay guys, you can see everything here. Corner. That's anchor bolt per structural drawing. Nice and clean form. That is turned down slab. We have mason work. Parking lot is paved. Material on site. That's the embedded plate. We'll put it on pour slab. Okay guys, here we have plastic sheet for the slab. So here you can see here, that is the way when forklift moving mortar for mason work. You can see we stop paved here. We have dumpster. Okay, here we have island paving. So we will finish everything over there. Mechanical crew and electrical crew dig ditches. You have topsoil. Here that is topsoil covered with mat. Over there red dirt pile. So that's here you need to look. That is topsoil. We'll save it to the back from. Okay guys, if you like this video about how to do grate management, please subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys.